Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am making a super simple soap, so I kind of decided to speed up the video just a little bit, just so it's not super boring. But I am just making an unscented activated charcoal soap, about as simple as you can get. It's super nice. I get a lot of comments for it. It's one of my best sellers, so doing another remake of it. So I've already mixed my oils, adding my colloidal oatmeal, my kaolin clay, adding the lye water. Because there's no fragrance in it, it doesn't really accelerate too much, obviously. And I kind of ballpark it with the activated charcoal. I just kind of get it to the color that I like. I don't really measure it out. It's kind of like 3 little scoops of mine. So, but love this soap. Super nice. And it's just easy to make. It kind of makes you appreciate making a soap like this when you're not doing 4 colors and a fragrance that might accelerate or rice. So sometimes it's just relaxing to make just a really super simple soap. And and again, my favorite mold, my sapphire, my diamond molds. And when I bring guys back for the cut, I'm just going to show you a couple bars because all 15 bars look exactly the same. So here we are for the cut. It's sat in the oven for 24 hours without being on, so it's super hard. You can see I've been cutting a lot of soap today in the background. But here it is, just real simple. Nothing really fancy to it, but it's a really nice bar of soap. And there you have it. Thanks so much for watching my super short video. Have a great day, and thanks for subscribing.